Good morning, Andy.
Good morning, Mark.
Nice to see you bring your car in. I know we've done a bit of work on your Lambretta,
Yes.
which you've been riding.
That's quite right.
Right, your Jaguar XF, we've had another one in. You had a DPF light flicker on, and there's
Yes.
some various fault codes warning you of water in the diesel, etc, etc. We've had a look at the engine management system. What it was saying is the DPF is slightly blocked, but it's happening because the regeneration sequence is being interrupted. That means really you're driving the vehicle on lots of short journeys and interrupting it.
Yes.
So what we've done is we've done a Hydroflow treatment on it. You and I have gone for a 20-mile drive. What do you think?
Fantastic. The car is now performing even better than what it was when I bought it a few
Really
months
think so?
ago. Yeah, 100%.
Sharper?
Yeah, sharp.
Good morning.
More responsive.
Yep.
All round better.
Excellent. Would you recommend it?
Yes, definitely.
And you can still start that Lambretta okay?
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Well, that's the reason I came here in the first place, for the Lambretta, and then because you're doing such a good job on that, I brought the car here as well.
Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Cheers.
No.